Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Workday Fast Access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in your organization's Workday URL. Press enter to navigate to the Workday login page. Once the page loads, locate the login fields. Enter your email address in the designated email field. Next, move to the password field. Type your password carefully. Ensure there are no typos. After entering your credentials, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed. If your information is correct, you will be directed to your Workday dashboard. If you encounter an error, double-check your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After successful login, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the menus and options available to you. For quick access in the future, consider bookmarking the Workday URL. This will save you time on your next visit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.